Hi, this video is for Sitore. Yeah, I just make video for your request. Yeah, that is really free website, and yeah, if you wanna register, you just click on the link, or just give me 1 second. Just go here. Okay, for registration, you just click on the link. You don't need to copy or paste or do anything. Just click. And you should click here, start earning now. You just make username, passport, email address, and tell which year, not whole your birth, but which year you was born, and that's it. Just prove it and make your account. And make sure you give the email address that, just 1 second, sorry about that. Okay, what I said, make sure you give the email address that you have access, because they're gonna send you confirmation link, and you should click on confirmation link. Otherwise,
Вам звонят.
sorry about that. You should click on confirmation links, and then your account gonna be active. When you clicked on confirmation, you can click here log in, and as you see, if you click log in, you just put your username that you make it, and your password, and start login. But just let me log in quickly. I want to show you. I hope I still have some ads today for review, the important step. Okay, yeah, have I said you click to view link ads, sorry about that, I just, and wait till the ads load, and wait till times run, because you should, if you click close the link, close the website before the ads, before the times run, you're gonna not get money, and that's why you should make sure that the times run first. Don't click link before the times run. Just 1 second, I just show you one thing. Okay, just in purpose of this. Okay, and for example, here is empty, like it means this website is offline. If that's, you see nothing show up, still don't close it, still wait for the times run, because you're still gonna get money. That is very important. You should know when you close the website. Yeah, I hope that will be helpful for you. Oh, okay, one more thing. I don't know, I already asked you a question if you had that's actually from all around the world, but just let me see what's payment there. Okay, all payment will made. Okay, I don't know if you have a Pazer, PayPal, or Nettle, but you need this account to get money. When you make money, you have to have this account. I guess you already have it, but if you don't have it, this is free account too. You can register for free and you can receive money free, but I will talk about it if you don't have it or if you have any question about it. That was the first purpose, to show you. Okay, bye for now. Let me know if how it's going. Bye.